August 25th, 2025, about 9 a.m. And he brought me some more wood chips. This is a pretty beefy truck. Look, they're all happy to see me. Okay, they're all waiting for food. Oh, Harold. You get served first. Alright. You guys know the routine. Well, now they're all happy. Kind of a hazy day, 77 degrees. We're supposed to have a heat wave come through here. Yeah, with these clouds, it's going to trap it down here. And it's probably going to be miserable. Yeah, hopefully the heat doesn't actually come, because they've been wrong before. They were last week. Anyway, I got to get water on the grass areas since I'm back from my little trip across the state of Washington. Now I get back to work. Harold? Harold, want an egg? Good stuff, huh? Alright, animals taken care of. Let the water go on.